It would be easy to look at the statistics and find out which of the F2 kit cars is the best. But statistics only tell part of the story and can be interpreted in many different ways, which is why we want your help compiling the list of the best Formula 2 kit cars for a video later in the year. Results only tell part of the story, a simplistic look at which car was most successful on the stages, but rallying is about much more than that. It's about innovation, it's about emotion, it's about the drivers and co-drivers that push the cars to the limits, and it's about the memories that they leave behind, as well as the legacies, of course. It's all of those things that combine to help decide if a car deserves to be called the best. During this year, we'll be making a series of videos where we combine statistics with the viewers' votes to create a list of the best rally cars. We'll even call it the definitive list, shall we? This is your chance to have a say in those lists. Just drop your suggestions, stories and votes in the comments below, and they will be combined along with the event results for each of the cars to come up with the ultimate list. And remember, the only way you can change that is by having your say now. Keep an eye out for more videos with different categories of cars to vote on in the coming weeks.